Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Is this a G.I. Joe? Is he a real American hero? I don't know what he is. He's some sort of a soldier of type guy. Okay. Here is another scary looking soldiery type thing. Oh, he's got red eyes. Okay. I don't know if that shuts him off there. Yeah, that shut him off. Okay, so he's there. I've got another, these must be like G.I. Joes or something like that, because I've got another figure right here. Okay. I have some sort of a transforming type device here. Yeah, I don't know what he is. It's a motorcycle, transforming motorcycle thing. Okay, whatever that is. Looks like part of a transforming device right there. Looks like the front grille. And then to top it off, to finish off my $2 purchase here, I have a, what is that? I don't see a brand. Oh, it's I don't know what that is, but it's some sort of four-wheel drive vehicle there. And there it is, the grab bag special. Hey, thank you very much for coming along on this journey. For those of you who've been here before, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe for updates. And thank you very much. This is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Tell me who this guy is.